Hello, I'm Itunoloa AL. Welcome back to my class. What do I have for you today? Today, I shall be telling you the difference between buckle down and buckle up. Okay? Buckle down and buckle up. What's the difference? Have you been saying buckle up in order to pass your exams? Or you need to buckle up in order to finish up your project on time? You're wrong, my dear. You're wrong. Now, let me start with buckle down. Buckle down means to start to do something or to get focused with something or to get serious with something. So for example, you can say you need to buckle down in order to pass your exams. You can also say you need to buckle down in order to complete your project on time. Yes, that means you need to focus. You need to be serious. That's buckle down. Then when it comes to buckle up means to fasten one's seat belt. To fasten one's seat belt. In American English, it's called belt up. Belt up. So buckle up means to fasten your seat belt. So you can say, kindly tell the woman at the front seat to buckle up. Yes, buckle up means to fasten your seat belt. I hope you've learned. If yes, kindly click the like button, comment, and share. Don't forget to follow me for more tips. Thank you.